Welcome to this tutorial on how to submit articles to the Digital Paul Scholten Project website. To submit an article, you first choose your research question. The research questions can be found in the categories of the research questions. And for this example, we'll use this research question category and click on Research Questions. For this example, we will use the intuition research question. And here we see the page of the research question. Here you see a box that says submit an article, and to submit an article you click the link and you will be asked to log in. If you do not have a login yet, you can register first and we will send you an activation email, and when you click the link in the activation email you will receive your login. I'll use my test account for this example, and here you see the editor screen. And basically, to submit an article, you fill in all the fields in this editor screen and you are done. First we go to the right hand side. The only field we have to fill in here is the name research question field. We have to put it on the research question, intuition. I have prepared a document from Niels van Manen as an example document, and we will copy the title and abstract from the article. And the subtitle. In this field you can fill in when the full article can be expected. You can submit an abstract only article. In this case you will not have the whole article but only an abstract. In that case you fill in when the full article can be expected in this field, otherwise you can leave it empty. Next, the abstract. And we will just copy it from our example article. We fill in some keywords, and here we fill in our article. Here we have our article, and we are working with footnotes, and how to work with footnotes and references will be explained in another tutorial. I will select all and copy, and use this button, the paste from Word icon. Use Ctrl+V, and there our whole article is inserted. Next we will add the references. Again, in another tutorial we will show you how to make these references according to the style that is used on the website. Again, I select all and copy, and I paste it after the article we just copied. I press the paste from Word icon again and Ctrl+V again. And here we see our references. Furthermore, if we want to link to a specific URL, like this URL, you can either do it like this, insert the full URL in your article, or you can link a specific word to the specific page. For example, we can replace this with the word SSRN, and when we select the word, we can insert a link with this button, and at the URL we copy our URL, and then there will be a link to the specific page when you click the word SSRN. And once you are done filling this in, you press the submit button, or you can already preview how the article looks like by pressing preview. And this is our article. As you can see, the links of the footnotes are so I can press this one, and I will end up at the corresponding footnote. And at the end we have our references. I'll do the final step of submitting. So the article is submitted, and once it is approved and published, it will be seen on the website.